Hi everyone, it's week 6 and this is our first maths lesson for the week and we are focusing on number. Our learning intentions and success criteria include we are learning to recognize, model, read and write and order numbers to at least 100. We can represent two-digit numbers using objects, pictures, words and numerals. We can understand the role of 0 in place value. Our whole number word wall includes the words count forward, count backwards, number before, number after, more than, number line, number chart, digit, 0, ones, groups of tens, and round to. So you can use all of those words within our writing and when we're having our discussions on maths this week. Okay, what we can do with this lesson, we should be able to sort two-digit numbers into tens and ones. You can see here that we have our tens and our ones. Okay, we should be able to write two-digit numerals. As you can see, we've got our numbers over here, 21, 31, and 66. We also should be able to write numbers in words, 21, 34, 67. Okay, let's practice all of this now. What is this number? Let's have a look at the tens. So we've got one row of tens and we've got 1, 1. It's 11, well done. And we can write it in words also. So you can see that we're able to use pictures, we're able to use digits or numbers, we're able to use words. What is this number? Let's see if we can count the tens. Okay, we've got 10, 20, 30. And then we've got 3 ones, 33. Great. And we can write the word 33. What is the number? We can count by tens again. 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and 80. And then we've got our ones. 81, 2, 3, 4. 84. And we can write it in words, 84. What is the number? See if you can do it with me. Wonder if you can count by tens and tell me the number. Did you do it? And now how many ones have you got? Okay, now let's do it together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. And how many ones did we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we've got 95. Let's check our answer. 95 and 95 in words. Okay, what is this number? Let's try it again on our own. Okay, did you count the tens? Now try and count the ones. Okay, let's check our answer. 88, I hope you got it right. And 88 in words, I'm sure you did get it right. Okay, 0 is a placeholder. About 3,000 years ago, people needed to tell the difference between the numbers like 4 and 40. Without the 0, they look the same. So 0 is now used as a placeholder. It shows there is no number at this place. Like this, for example, 50. This means 5 tens and no ones. Have a look at the next two slides to see what place the 0 holds. Okay, let's have a look at the tens. I know you guys are getting really good at this now. Let's do this one together though. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. But let's have a look at the ones. There's nothing here. Okay, now if we don't put anything in the ones, what does that mean? If we put nothing in our ones column, what would our number actually be? Would it be the number 90 or would it be the number 9? Let's have a look at what it should look like. 90. 90. So you see that if we didn't put a 0 in our ones column, our number would just be 9, which wouldn't make sense and wouldn't be correct. So it's really important that we use our 0 to hold the place for our ones. What is the number? Let's count the tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. What about the ones? What's happened here? There's no ones. So our number is 50. And we can write it in words also. Okay, before we move on to the activities that you need to do at home, what I'd like us to have a little look at is some of the tools that can help you with the activities at home. So anything that we ask you to do, you can just do on a piece of paper, but there are some great tools out there that might help you. So the first one that I've got here is this toy theatre. And this is where we can use our tens and our ones. So it has hundreds and thousands, but we don't need these yet, although there might be a few of you that want to give that a try. But we just need to focus on our tens and our ones. So that's an activity where you can put in how many tens and ones for each number to work out your numbers. So it's a bit of a way of practicing. And then another one at the same website is Toy Theatre. So this one has 10 blocks like this and 1 blocks as well, so that you can make your quantity. So however many, whatever the number is that you need to find, you can practice making that with these materials. And the second thing that I wanted to refer you to before you go on is the number word. So it's really important that we learn to write the numbers correctly in words. So this is just a helpful hint for you to help you with that. I know that it can be a little bit tricky with some of those words that are quite large. So this is a good way. This is something that you can always practice at home. Now it is your turn. So number 1, complete the number 1 Monday PDF and then see if you can write the numbers using words. Number 2, have a turn of making one or all of the following numbers in words and using tens and ones. You can draw it or use this tool online. So we've got 3 options. We've got our harder option, which is our number 98. Got our middle range option, which is 30, and our 12, which is our easier option. So you choose the option that's right for you, and you can have some fun online to do this, or you can draw a picture and take a photo and add it to our Google Classroom so that we can see how you're going with this. And then our third optional activity is to watch this video that describes the place of 0 in the number 20. So it's really important that we practice that, and this video gives us a little bit of a hint about that. And then number 4 is also an optional activity, and this is practicing partitioning our numbers, our 2-digit numbers, into tens and ones. So you just did it today, and you'll be doing it on your worksheet as well. And then I want you to have a go of a practice on one of these games for a bit of fun, but also some great learning to practice these skills. So good luck with it all. If you need any help or this is a bit tricky, let me know and I can give you some assistance. Bye.